Hello, ladies. Welcome back to Thread and Throne, where elegance never expires. Today, we're diving into something every woman over 60 should hear: the fashion mistakes that are silently aging you, even in 2025. You've earned your wisdom, your style, and your confidence, but certain outdated habits might still be holding you back. Let's break them down and replace them with timeless, flattering alternatives. Mistake number 1. Wearing boxy, oversized clothing. Once upon a time, oversized meant comfort. But in 2025, it's all about structured ease. Boxy jackets, shapeless tunics, and wide-leg pants with no tailoring can actually make you look heavier and older. Solution: opt for tailored pieces that gently skim your shape. A soft blazer with darting, a midi dress that defines the waist, or trousers with a clean front will elevate your look without sacrificing comfort. Structure is your best friend. Mistake number 2. Clinging to dated prints. Tiny florals, bold abstract swirls, or retro geometric prints may have had their moment, but they can age you quickly if overdone or outdated. Solution: go for modern, sophisticated prints. Think soft watercolors, subtle stripes, or classic polka dots in neutral palettes. And remember, sometimes no print at all makes the biggest statement. Mistake number 3. Too much black. Yes, black is slimming, but it can also be draining. Especially as our skin tone softens with age, black near the face can look harsh. Solution: introduce deep navy, charcoal, plum, forest green, or soft ivory. These shades are far more forgiving and still feel elegant. If you must wear black, pair it with a colorful scarf or statement necklace to bring life back to your face. Mistake number 4. Ignoring accessories. Many women shy away from accessories after 60, thinking it's best to keep it simple. But neglecting accessories can make an outfit fall flat. Solution: invest in elegant, intentional accessories. A wide cuff bracelet, bold earrings, a silk scarf, or a structured handbag can transform your look instantly. The goal is refined, not cluttered. Mistake number 5. Outdated footwear. Let's talk shoes. Bulky orthopedic styles, worn-out flats, or overly embellished heels are a fashion dead end. Solution: comfort doesn't mean sacrificing style. Look for shoes with arch support that still offer sleek design, like leather loafers, kitten heels, or low-block sandals. Your feet deserve both care and beauty. Mistake number 6. Old-fashioned hair and makeup. Your outfit can be on point, but if your hairstyle hasn't changed since the 80s, or you're using outdated makeup tones, the whole look suffers. Solution: modernize your look with a soft, layered haircut that frames your face. For makeup, avoid frosty eyeshadows and opt for creamy textures, soft blush, and a lipstick that brings color back to your lips. Think fresh and glowing. Mistake number 7. Matching everything. In the past, matching your bag, belt, and shoes was considered polished. Now it reads as outdated and overly coordinated. Solution: mix tones and textures for a more elevated look. Tan shoes with a burgundy bag, a cream blouse with gold accents, and a camel belt. It's more modern, more luxurious, and far more interesting. Mistake number 8. Dressing too youthfully. On the flip side, dressing too young can feel forced. Mini skirts, crop tops, or flashy logos may not reflect who you are anymore. Solution: choose clothes that flatter your current shape and radiate confidence. A well-cut jumpsuit, a silky blouse with wide-leg trousers, or a midi skirt with a fitted tee. These pieces are ageless and powerful. Mistake number 9. Not evolving with the times. Perhaps the biggest mistake of all is not updating your style at all. Holding on to decades-old pieces just because they still fit can actually trap you in the past. Solution: edit your closet. Donate what no longer serves you. Then build a wardrobe that reflects who you are today: sophisticated, radiant, and endlessly stylish. Ladies, fashion over 60 is not about hiding. It's about refining. Let's leave these outdated habits in the past and embrace a wardrobe that evolves with grace. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a little wardrobe refresh. And remember, you're not aging, you're ascending.